Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Lipogaine shampoo on the market, the Lipogaine Big 5 Hair Stimulating Shampoo. If you're struggling with hair thinning or breakage, or just looking for a shampoo that strengthens and nourishes your hair while being safe for all hair types, this might be the product you've been searching for. Lipogaine has built a solid reputation since 2009 for delivering effective hair care solutions, and this shampoo is no exception. What makes the Big 5 formula stand out is its powerful blend of premium natural ingredients designed to stimulate the scalp and support healthier, thicker hair. The key components include biotin, caffeine, argan oil, castor oil, and saw palmetto, all well known for their benefits in hair care and scalp health. This shampoo is carefully crafted without harsh chemicals, meaning it's free of sulfates like SLS, which can be drying or damaging to hair. It's also color safe, so if you color your hair, you won't have to worry about fading or damage caused by this shampoo. With its infusion of oils like argan and castor, it doesn't just cleanse, it nourishes and moisturizes the scalp and strands, leaving hair feeling soft and silky rather than stripped and dry. How do you use it for the best results? The instructions recommend a two-step shampooing process. First, wet your hair completely and apply the shampoo generously to cleanse away dirt and oils. Rinse thoroughly. Then apply the shampoo again, this time massaging it gently into your scalp for about a minute. After massaging, leave it in for 2 to 4 minutes to allow the active ingredients to absorb and stimulate your scalp before rinsing out. This method maximizes the exposure of your scalp to the nourishing ingredients and enhances their effectiveness. One important note is the recommendation to shampoo 4 to 5 times a week but not more than once daily. Overwashing can sometimes lead to scalp dryness or irritation, so following this routine helps maintain a healthy balance. The ingredient list is impressive and quite comprehensive. Beyond the main actives, it includes a range of botanical extracts like tea tree oil, ylang ylang, hibiscus, rosemary, and green tea. These ingredients are often used in hair care to soothe the scalp, reduce inflammation, and support hair follicle health. Additionally, it contains vitamins such as vitamin E and niacin, which contribute to scalp circulation and overall hair vitality. In terms of packaging, the shampoo comes in an 8-ounce bottle, a convenient size for regular use and easy handling in the shower. Lipogaine also offers other hair care products like topical treatments that can be used alongside this shampoo for those seeking a more comprehensive hair regrowth regimen. If you are supporting small businesses, you'll be glad to know that Lipogaine is a small business brand, so your purchase helps support their continued innovation in the hair care space. To summarize, the Lipogaine Big 5 Hair Stimulating Shampoo is designed to combat hair thinning and breakage by strengthening and nourishing hair with a carefully formulated blend of natural ingredients. It's free from harsh chemicals, safe for color-treated hair, and suitable for both men and women. Following the recommended 2-step washing routine ensures the best possible scalp stimulation and hair care benefits. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking for a shampoo that does more than just clean, one that works to support thicker, healthier hair, the Lipogaine Big 5 might just be the best Lipogaine shampoo you can try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product critiques.